Everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the magnetic replacement band for Garmin devices that are 22 millimeters from the company Bandletic. B-A-N-D-L-E-T-I-C. It's with all my purchases I like doing these videos. In case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the item, they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So here is the band. I'm actually going to be attempting to put this on my original Garmin Instinct Solar. We're going to see how it works. It's kind of interesting the way this band is. Let's see. You've got a keeper there, and then it's totally magnetic. If you've never had a magnetic strap, they're awesome because you can get the perfect fit with that band. This one has a quick fit mechanism. Basically, I'm going to leave the pins on my original strap in there, and then we're simply going to push this down. I don't know how well you'll see that. Put it around there, and then when you let go of it, that's what locks it into place. We'll take a look at it here in a second when I'm done. They do give you a push pin tool to help you get your strap out of your existing watch. So let's go ahead and do that now. I've got my original strap off. Let's go ahead and put the one from Bandletic on. Again, all we're going to do is simply pull this little mechanism down. Look at that. Boy, that is easy to do. Same thing here. And there we go. Look at that. Looks great. And when you want to put it on your wrist, totally magnetic. Feels awesome, looks good. I'm using it on the Garmin Instinct. You could also use it on any other Garmin watch that has a 22 millimeter strap. That's a look at the magnetic Bandletic strap for your Garmin devices. I hope the video helped.